hiccups anymore. They're making me sad.
Poor Billy. I think a big scare is the only way now.
Huh? What's going on?
Guess who? The Hiccup Monster! Woo!
Twitchy tails!
Woo!
Yikes! Ghosts! Spiders! Please go away! Please, please, please! Tim?
If you can't get me out of your tummy, I'll stay in there forever.
Help! Let me out! Let me out! Stop scaring him, Tim. He doesn't like it.
I'm trying to help Billy.
But are you really helping? We all take things too far sometimes. We get carried away without realizing it, and we make our friends sad. Think of it like juice. Juice is super yummy, we all know that. But if you keep pouring and pouring, you're going to spill it all and make a sticky mess. You've got to know when to stop. That's the only way everyone can be happy.
I'm sorry, Billy. I took the scaring too far. The Hiccup Monster doesn't really exist.
That's okay, Tim. I know you were only trying to help. I'm just worried the hiccups will never go. Billy, your hiccups, they're gone.
Yeah!
Wow! Look at that. I got rid of my hiccups by waiting, Paula. That's right, Billy.
Yeah, that's... Huh? I thought it was the scaring that got rid of it. Uh-oh.
Thought you could get rid of me? The Hiccup Monster is back! Wow!
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us for more fun next time.